This is the BL01 Universal Adjustable Velcro Carry Harness with clamp. It's going to fit everything from the ELB400, 500, the Profoto B2, your Nikon and Canon battery holsters that are going to be the extra extended power that'll go up to your speed light, as well as many other uses from Godox and other brands out there. The kit comes complete with what you see here is the main body compartment. It's actually a solid aluminum piece here, approximately 1/2 inch thick. Comes with our SS2 quick release adapter port, an opportunity with a 1/4-20 here to maybe put something like a ball for our SH1, adjustable standoffs, as well as areas to put the Velcro and the clamp. The unit comes complete with two 24-inch Velcros, two 12-inch Velcros, a mini super clamp which features 1/4-20 and 3/8 on the back, a 1/4-20 D screw with 5/32 hole. It's going to allow you to quickly and easily put that on there with no tools. As well as we give you these standoffs that are adjustable here that just have to get bolted on once when you receive them to give yourself the height adjustment. To begin, what you're going to do, take it out of the box. Go ahead and pick your poison here on where you want the standoffs to be. The higher they go for the smaller pack, the better, but honestly it doesn't really make a difference. Just go ahead and slide the screw through the sleeve, pick your hole, and go ahead and just start that in there. Take the other one here, put it in the other hole. Just make sure they're in the opposite hole, but obviously on the same height level. Once they're in, this is plastic, you don't need to over torque it or anything like that. Just make sure it's in there snugly. But by putting too much pressure on them, you could potentially crack the plastic, so be careful with that. That's it. Next, I'll show you how to install the clamp. It's quite simple. There's a threaded adapter on part of that. Top hole there. Just place the threads on there. Give it a couple twists. Once it's all the way in, it'll fall into a shoulder. As you can see, it's coming out the back here. There's these little steps here. The steps are there actually to allow you to open the clamp all the way, and the clamp will not bump into the actual plate. Go ahead. And the 1/4-20 hole on the clamp, tighten that on down. It's designed to fall into a little rail here, so we'll have some give just in case there's ever machining indifference there, but you're able to get it fairly tight, and then it's going to go ahead and always be a little wiggly. That's how it's designed. As you notice, the screw's not backing out or anything. As you see with the clamp here, this opens up to about 2 inches. You're able to get a little bit smaller. Get down as low as about 1/2 inch. It's going to be great on light stands as well as tripods. The idea between the clamp is that you're going to be able to put it on, recommended on the lower area of a light stand base, and it's going to give you weight. It's going to keep your pack off the ground. Just keep it nice and dry. You can get it a little bit higher, maybe make it just below eye level so you can easily see all the controls on your pack. It's just going to conveniently go ahead and put it in a good spot for you. Now we'll go ahead and install the Velcro. The smaller Velcro are going to be great if you have a smaller pack, like one of those AA packs that's designed for the speedlight. However, if you've got like the ELB500 or a Profoto B2, you're going to want to use the 24-inch Velcro. And on that, you're going to start with the logo facing toward you. Come up from underneath. Go through. And just push it all the way down. Do that again on the second Velcro. You may select you only need one Velcro. It's totally up to you, obviously. Showing you how to install them. Go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to put the pack in. roll it over. For demonstration, got my Profoto B2, set it right there on top of the standoffs. I'm gonna put this over, lift it a little bit just so you can get access to that. Get access like that. Put it down on the standoffs. Pull it taut. You're all set. You got the opportunity to kind of move it around, get it centered as best you can. Then once it's on there, it's on the standoffs on the bottom. It's not going anywhere. Holds it in pretty securely. So what you're going to want to do now is go ahead and just put it up on your light stand, tighten it down. You're all set. If you need to adjust it in the field, you know, you can loosen it up just a little bit. Easily slide the pack out. Leaving this on your light stand. Conveniently come back, slide it back in. Just retighten those back up. And you're all set. This package is universal and a great opportunity to fit many packs on the market today. We believe it's going to be a great asset and a great tool to help you do a lot of things in the field by giving you battery access, just getting it off the ground, off the dirt. You're able to easily, conveniently lock this in. If you wanted to, with the SS2 quick release port, you got the opportunity. Take the pack out. Go ahead and remove the clamp. And then the screw's captive. You could either leave it or feel free to take it out, whichever you want. Now I've got the opportunity to maybe carry the pack from the strap. So if I put this back on, tighten it on down. Then using the ProMediaGear SS2P1 or SS2P3 strap adapter, you can go ahead and plunger that right in there and then carry it right from the side. Use it as a strap, carry it over your shoulder. There's a lot of endless possibilities with this kit. Check out the BL01 Universal Adjustable Velcro Carry Harness with Clamp today. Check out your local dealer or right here at ProMediaGear.com.